Namaskar. Good morning. This is Surya from Fluent Speaking Classes or I in Duga. First of all, I would like to tell you one thing which is very important for you and for your future. Today is Navami and tomorrow is Dasmi, yani Dasara. On the occasion of Dasara, I would like to tell you one thing which would be an inspiration story for your future. If you want to be always motivated without taking support of anyone, so you should follow Ramayana. Do you know why I am going to say about this? Why I am suggesting you about Ramayana? Because I know one thing very well. Ramayana has given us such a lesson which any book cannot give it. I know life is very big. Today we are happy, maybe tomorrow we will be sad. Today we are sad, maybe tomorrow will be good. But if in your life ups and downs are not coming, so you are not doing anything good. But I know each one is going to face ups and downs daily. There is a biggest problem in life why we should speak fluent English. There is a biggest problem why should become smart. There is a biggest problem why people want to speak good English. There is a biggest problem why people want more money. Do you know one thing? Money is not a word. Money is not a lesson. Money is not a life. Money is not a hard work. But do you know money is not a emotions and love also. But I am saying money is everything. Right now. But who can earn money? Do you know? Who knows good consequences? So far as Ravan is concerned here, Ravan was very good player of his battle. Very good player was his battle. But he didn't know one thing, the rule of battle. Do you know why he didn't know? He was Paramgyani, but he was not able to understand the situations of Ram. If you are feeling bad, if you are feeling something wrong, so you can feel one thing, life is different from all sides. Whatever you think, people do not think. Whatever your emotions, people does not think like that. I have understood one line very well and I have suggested you many times. Again we are suggesting you, do your job properly. If you are doing your job properly, then you can get everything by and by. If you are not understanding anything very well, so you cannot do everything very properly. Here I am suggesting you one line. I am telling to you one line. The more Ram is important, the more Ravan is important. If you can learn a lessons from Ram ji, then you can learn also lessons from Ravan. There was only one difference between Ram and Ravan. Ram was a polite, humble, and situation understanding. But Ravan was not this type. Ravan was different to thee. I am saying with you, I am understanding the line, I am feeling the situations, or I can say only one word to you. If you want to do something big in your life, so you will have to follow both. Ravan was a Swabhimani personality, so Ram was also a Swabhimani personality. Ravan had kidnapped Ram's wife, so Ravan had also committed for his sister's insult. If you want something, so you will have to lose something. If you are going to become very popular, so you will have to become very defiant man. Today you are lokpriya, so tomorrow you will have to ready for your unlokriyata. If you are understand situations, so you can get one meaning कि कितना भी बड़ी आप हो जाओ, कितने भी योग्य आप हो जाओ, लेकिन जीत हमेशा एम्बिलिटी, पावर, लव की ही होती है। अहंकारी व्यक्ति कभी भी आगे नहीं जा सकता। अब अहंकार किसके अंदर नहीं है? टेल मी। ईच वन इज अहंकारी। सभी लोग अहंकारी हो रहे हैं अब तो। किसी के अंदर विनम्र प्रेम तो रह ही नहीं गया है। सब गाने लगा रहे हैं, हूटरबाजी। सच बताओ तो कुछ नहीं है, तो भी हूटर बजा रहे हो। कुछ नहीं है। I have felt, I have looked personally to them, but I am saying with you, be very popular, do your job, get an ideas what is going on here. If you can understand the situations, you can get all things what is going on here. I would not like to say with them, don't think negative, always be positive, because your body runs according to your mind. You should alert, but do not become negative. If you do become negative, then you cannot do anything big in your life. So being a teacher, I can say only one word: be positive man, think positive, get an ideas, and you can learn many things from your side. अगर आप कोई काम प्यारा कर रहे हो, अच्छा कर रहे हो, तो लोग पसंद करेंगे। जैसे आप प्रेमानंद जी को ले लो, इन्होंने मुझसे नहीं कहा कि मेरा फोटो लगाओ, लेकिन इनके वचनों को, इनको भाषाओं को और इनके बोलने के तरीके को मुझे देख के लगा ना, बहुत लालची व्यक्ति नहीं है। एक ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जो अपने काम के प्रति काम कर रहे हैं। इनको लोगों से कोई मतलब नहीं है, इनको काम से मतलब है। तो यही बेस्ट होता है। फिर भी आई वुड नॉट लाइक टू स्पीक मोर, आई वांट टू से यू ओनली वन वर्ड। आप कितनों भी बड़ी शक्तिशाली, पैसे वाले, धनी व्यक्ति हो, अगर आपके अंदर अहंकार और नकारात्मक विचारें पलती हैं, तो आपका नाश जरूर होगा। आज नहीं होगा, कल नहीं होगा, लेकिन एक दिन दशहरा आएगा और उस दिन जरूर होगा। जितने अहंकारी लोग हैं, कल अपने आप को रावण जैसा देखेंगे और समझेंगे आज उनकी सत्ता है तो कल नहीं रहेगी, और अगर नहीं है तो कल आ जाएगी। लेकिन अहंकार पालना कहीं से भी सही नहीं था, नहीं है और नहीं रहेगा। मैं एक शब्द और आपसे बोल दूं, देखिए भैया, प्रेम की भाषा अलग है। पीपल अलग होते हैं, डिफरेंट होते हैं, बट विचारधाराएं अलग अलग होती हैं। कैसे चीजों को अंडरस्टैंड किया जाए, कैसे चीजों को समझा जाए और विजय पाया जाए। तो राम इसे जीत गए कि वो सच के साथ थे, रावण इसलिए हार गया क्योंकि वो अधर्म के साथ था। तो दशानन रावण की दुर्दशा को बताती है, आप चंद्रहास क्यों न रखे रहो, आप मृत्युंजय जाप रोज क्यों न करते रहो, लेकिन समय जब आएगा तो आपको भी जाना पड़ेगा। ज्यादा ना बोलते हुए अपने वाणी को विराम देंगे। आई वुड लाइक टू से यू ओनली वर्ड्स। Thank you so much for watching with us, and know one thing, at anyhow you will have to destroy it anyhow to yourself. If you are going well, people will recognize you. If you are being good, yeah, you are going to with a very haughtiness, people will not recognize you. इतना ही बोलना होगा। सत्य पे असत्य कभी हावी नहीं होगा, लेकिन असत्य पे सत्य हावी हमेशा होगा। आप सभी को दशहरा की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और मेरी शुभकामनाएं आपको, शुभकामनाएं, नवरात्रि की शुभकामनाएं, दशहरा की शुभकामनाएं। आप सभी को नमस्कार, धन्यवाद।